Hello to everyone. The opportunity I want to ask to one questions. Let's start. Describe your favorite movie. What is the name of the film? Okay. The name of the film is the Avatar. That it's a world. Also, of a nature different from ours. Yes. Everything that these indigenous people fight to protect the ecosystem and how man seeks on looking for a t-shirt that does not exist. And since always his world is made up of her world, yes. Mm, uh, was this is about the thing. Uh, and I what I like most of the of what of this movie is that what that about the film is that the connection that exists between the avatar and the animals. Yes. Uh, Also, there are multiple connections between the nature, the indigenous, and everything that surrounds it. I have to say that I see this movie when I see this movie for first time. It for me was very interesting the theme of this film. Yes, we can see how also how the people were very damage to the nature, and so we can assimilate that with the real life. Yes, the those kind of things that happen in that movie in Avatar also happening in this in this life. Yes, in this world. Um, where you see those are happening. Um, the other is to describe a children's game. Sport not suggests. Okay. The game called the mental skin. A game called concentration. Yes. How it is played. Okay, depending of the thing that is going to be chosen. Uh, mm, is located in base. For example, is that were made of fruits or the 120 piece. There are only 10 different fruits, since the order must be the same or the pair of the previous ones. The prize you receive the most between the established time is the winner. Yes. And what can learn from the game? Okay. You can learn from this day to keep the information to have a better concentration. Yes. That's the most important with this kind of games is to improve the concentration of the children or the people who do this game. The other okay. In this kind, describe your neighbors. When did you become neighbors? My neighbors, first I have to describe. My neighbors is very a kind of culture person who is concerned to great and with community. Yes, he's very collaborative. He's a person respectful of the opinions of others without neglecting his opinion. On many occasions, he likes to hold celebrations for the reason in which they bring a lot of noise. Yes, we have generation difference on certain occasions. Mm, when did you become neighbors? We are neighbors for about 4 years ago, time in which I come to live in my home. Yes. Do you often me? Yes, almost every day. When I leave my house, on different occasions of the day where we cross the street. Yes, I see a lot of time in the day. Mm, Stay wherever your neighbor is a good one. Yes, I consider that my neighbor is a very good person, and although we have had difference, I don't have to forget how respectful and freely he is. Now I'm going to describe the best present that I have received. First, who sent to you? Uh, First, I said very a special was a very special birthday present. Yes, the person who gave me the present was my wife. Mm, what I say was for my birthday. Yes. Um, Now the title information about the present. Okay. It's a very special. It was a clothes in the first place. There was a black polo type shirt. Also have a black jean, jacket, a brown shoes. Um, uh, Also, my wires and my shield rings. Uh, uh, do my favorite food, yes, but is the for a lunch that has a double meat burger with French fries. Also, so my father's and my mother's prepare a cake on my favorite dessert. Yes. So for me, is my best present I received. So thanks for all.